I was using this ladder up in the loft, and it's a little shaky. So I was looking at it, I said to myself, you know, if I can just tighten up these bolts here, it might get better real quick. Not that I'm afraid about, but you know, I'm not the only one that works on this farm, and my grandson, but if there's an accident, he can cause it. So I'm going to get a pair of vice grip pliers and grab the rod here, because I don't know what stopped it from turning. And that's 7/16. Here's 7/16. Let's just see if this will work. I think 7/16. Boy, you don't want to turn. 3/8, I guess. See that, it's metric everything. Oh, look at that. The rod broke. Boy, did that suck. Wow. Okay. Huh. I don't think I'll do that again. Oh, this one's... Boy, just tightening up the one. What a difference. Wow. All right, next one. Let's see what's going to happen on this one. You know what? I'm going to grab this nice and close over here because I'm afraid it's going to break again. Maybe a little bit of blaster on it. It's going to break. Yep. Gonna let that one go. Oh, I only see the nut taking the bolt with it. I don't see it turning. Alright, let's put a little blaster on the next one here. This might not be a job I want to tackle today, so alright. Now, but this one's missing. This one's missing the block. Ouch. This ladder I found on the side of the road fell off the back of somebody's pickup truck, and I picked it up. So what do I care? I only need half the ladder for what I need on a farm. Now this one's tightening up beautifully. How's that possible? Maybe spray a little bit more. Okay, how about this one here now? Oh, this one goes real nice. Look at that. Okay, interesting to see if it's not so shaky. Oh man, that's 10 times better than it was. I'm going to try to tighten up this one over here. This one, not that I stand on that one. Oh yeah. Now, not that I stand on the top one, but look at that. Little back and forth, it loosened up. I should have done that in the last one before I broke it. All right. Like I said, I don't use the top step. This step here, the one that came off, oh my God, look at that. It's 100 times better. Well, I gotta find a piece of threaded rod to put in there, because this step I think I do use. And if I don't put the brace back in it, I'm looking for trouble. So I gotta find a piece of 1/4 inch threaded rod. I didn't know the camera was off. So I'll go over what I did. So I went down to my house where I keep my carpenter tools. I made a block. I tightened it up a little bit. Hard to believe. It's very, very strong now. Got them all tightened up a little bit. Now the other thing I did, because last year, AJ, my grandson, was helping me put hay away, and this ladder slipped out, and he fell down and broke his wrist. That ladder slipped out on him. So what I did today is, I bent up 2 little pieces of iron, here and here, so I can clip it on the beam upstairs. I'll show you in a minute. So this is the ladder. I put 2 hooks on. Now, go up there. And it grabbed on the beam. Last year it slid out on the kid. Floor slippery. He wasn't holding on. And that's it. So this is the upper loft. So I'm going to throw more hay down. As you can see, we have an elevator to bring it up there. Hay season, which I'll show you this year. Okay, here we go. We'll throw down another 20 bales. If I get 6 more in there, I'm halfway done. So that's what we're going to shoot for. 6 more, and then I have to go to watch my daughters play baseball tonight, softball. Got to go down to Bergen County, actually Orangeburg, New York.